Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I want to present another special mod that normally was not on the Focus, but it can be retrofitted. I'm talking about this. You're wondering what the hell, this is just a dome light. No, it is a dome light with LEDs. Ooh. And actually it comes, I think this is off a Mondeo Mark IV, which I transformed with the inside parts of one that I've got off Ford Kuga. But the point is, on this one you have the ultrasonic sensors. Because this is a short video, I'm not gonna bother you too much with this Instagram crap, but don't you forget, you can find me on Instagram too. Okay, so the first step would be to remove the old dome light. By the way, look at this nice VH screwdriver set I've bought. So you need to stick in screwdriver around here and you need to pry. Unfortunately, this mirror is really in the way, so I'm gonna do it kind of like this. Unfortunately, here I have a lot more wires than normal because I also have the two map lights, but normally you just have these. And I also should have some wires here for the mirror, which I also installed in another video. But the advantage here I've got is I can take a plus for the mirror, and if I turn my lights on, then the mirror is on, and then these two LEDs of this dome light should be on as well, as long as I have my lights on. Okay, so I was just looking at the wiring, and what I saw that these two have switched up apparently. I need to see if they still work as they should if I connect them directly. And now with the door, yes, yes, no, they are working correctly, no problem. Okay, so let's see a test as well. This is from the mirror. I've connected it to this first pin here, and let's see, lights on. Oh, it is working. Oh, nice. Actually, both of them are working. Yeah, so this is the wire that I need to connect to, basically. Here we go. I prepared the wires. And what I want to do is use one of these ferrules or pins, which I'm gonna put on one wire, on the other, or push in the second wire like this, and push in the third wire. Have them together, pull them together and crimp them. I think this was like 1.5 square millimeter. Ah, fuck. Not good. I always try to crimp it with a smaller one and then verify the connection. In this case, I don't have heatshrink tubing on me, and unfortunately, this is how it's gonna be. I'm gonna wrap it with some electrical tape, and that's it. in your guys' case, you will probably have to pull in a wire through the A pillar for the like headlights on or like dashboard lighting to have this mod. Or if you followed my other video and installed the mirror anyway, then you are more or less set. I will show you probably after this how I do the same mod with the other light with the ultrasonic sensor in the red or Bordeaux focus. But here, this is basically it. I'm just gonna continue with finishing up this wiring loom, have everything tidy, and end of story. If I turn on the headlights, you see this and this are working. Now I just need to push all the wiring back, which is gonna go back eventually. Now, in the dark, I should have some small orange lights shining down. As far as I know, they are supposed to be shining on this area, illuminating, I know, the shifter or something, I guess. So yeah, probably I'm gonna put in the next clip with the Bordeaux focus. And here we have the red LEDs with the ultrasonic sensor dome light on the Bordeaux focus as well, with like everything hopefully as proper as I can. For the wiring, if you don't have the auto dimming mirror, I have a video about that, you can go check that one out. But you need to take a wire here, down here, and over there somewhere you can find one of the wires that acts as or one of the side markers, or I don't know, rear light, something like that, and you can get the feed off of that. And when you have the lights on, they are on. When you have the lights off, they are off. And I'd say it's like a pretty good solution, to be honest. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. I hope you learned something.